Hi guys, and welcome to Garden Obsessions. We literally just got done doing the front porch containers. These guys right here talking about all these great plants for proven winners, and now we're gonna go ahead and try to get these guys done before it gets dark. So we're losing light quick, so I'll try to make it quick. We're gonna talk about this right here, our ZinFin Doll Hydrangeas. This was something that me and my husband decided to do in the front because it combined, it's so interesting about this it's a proven winners plant too, hydrangea. These guys are a mix between Little Lamb and Pinky Winky. Last year we had Pinky Winky and it did amazing up here. We had two of them. We'll put up some pics on that, and we had blooms going on like crazy till this time, and the color was just amazing and they were just thriving so great. This right here is normal, probably around the northern parts of the US. For us, because we had the Pinky Winkies, I know that we would have had this beautiful raspberry color. But once again, as tiring as it sounds, the whole thing with Hurricane Florence just made everything go down south for us. They were stored in the garage as well. They did great. They were blooming more. They actually had extra blooms coming out. We're doing amazing. And then we brought them out and they started frying. They just started frying. Everything started changing into this brown look and the beautiful color that they once had. At first, they were a very creamy white with a very light dusty pink, I should say. I think if that's the correct pink I'm using here. But they were just beautiful, so full of the creamy white with that pink, and then they would have start turning into this. I think I have a couple of pictures of them actually turning more of a deep color. But anyways, guys, we wanted to have these till to pull all the way from summer onto us. I love having them for winter interest as well. That's why I wanted to talk to y'all about the care for them. We will not be cutting them back right now. We actually wait till the beginning of spring to go ahead and cut back. So a little bit of information about these guys. They grow on new and old wood, and the hardy zones are from 3 to 8. What we want to talk, what we had in here as well was some, what was it, Supertunia Bordeaux inside of here. They did not make it once. We took them out of the garage. They also just, the poor things just suffered and they went away. So what did we end up doing? We already knew that we had the Amazon mist grass, such a great grass, guys. This grass has been amazing. Okay, guys, so the reason we went ahead and chose this Amazon mist grass is because it has like a silver kind of look to it. And I just love to, I don't know why, but I love to have on the back always something that has sort of like a gray color to it. It's very faint, the gray in there, the silver, but when the sun hits it and the wind's blowing, it just looks, it looks amazing. It's beautiful. We knew as well that all these 3 containers were going to be not only interest for summer, but for fall and through winter with the blooms. The grass will die back. We will have to cut it back in winter, and it is a perennial. It will come back in our area. All we have to do is just cut it back and mulch it. I'm probably just going to leave it in there and see how it performs for us for the next year if it does come back. But towards this time of year, fall, it would have it starts to get a little bit of brown on the bottom, right there. But it actually looks so pretty for fall. So I got creative. I told my husband, you know, before anything, we did go to the nursery and we were looking for more ZinFin dolls. We were gonna go ahead and buy more. And when we got to the nursery, it was so sad because everything had been destroyed. Every ZinFin doll, every hydrangea looked the same. They had no leaves, nothing had come back. It was just so sad. So this is what's left from the hydrangeas. I was hoping to find some limelights to go ahead and switch over the ZinFin dolls I had, or if we could have found some good ZinFin dolls, but they are looking just like the ones we have back home that I cut down. Some of y'all asked if there was limelights available. There's limelights here, but I'm pretty sure that's what we all have at the moment that are living around here. Yeah, so this hurricane really did a big one on these beautiful plants. Well, I guess we're just gonna have to get very creative what we got going on the porch, because these were going to be a very huge impact for our fall decor. But everywhere, this is what we are finding right now. And I told my husband, well, what do we do? You know, the plants costed money. It was something that we really adored and loved, and it's just been, we've had such a great season with these guys. These pots have been amazing for us and bring so much beauty. I didn't want to see them go just like that and be put to the side. I wanted to go ahead and have them up till we plant, till the time we plant. So I told my husband, the grass is looking great. These guys, you know, one dries them and takes them in. Why not go ahead and use them for fall? It still looks pretty. In my eyes, it still looks pretty. So I went ahead and added a couple of pumpkins in there, blooms that came off, just put them in there, squeezed them in there, tuck them in with the grass. And as funny as it sounds or looks to y'all, something I did not want to do, but I did, was just go ahead and pop in little plants, some kale in there, flowering kale. I just popped it in there, and it looks great. To me, it looked great, and it gave great fall interest. And I will be using this kale in another project around the house for, because I'm gonna use them for winter interest as well, the kale. But I'll be using them in another area in the garden. So it's just another way to get creative and maybe give you guys some ideas that sometimes when things don't go the way they should in the garden, just like other things in life, I always say to people, garden has been more than just a learning experience with plants. It's been actually more of more life lessons that you get out of gardening. And we've learned patience, we've learned how to get creative, what to do, have a plan A, plan B, plan C, and just go with it and have a lot of fun. So from something so sad that happened to us with the weather this year and being so new to everything with gardening, we still found a way to keep going and advance and make it work for us. So I hope that we went ahead and gave y'all some ideas, maybe not this year, but for the next coming year on what to do in your garden. We're fairly new to this, a couple of years already, but we are still going, and we don't want to stop at all. We just love doing this, how much it's brought happiness it brought to the family, to everybody. And what else can I tell you guys, that we just fell in love with all these plants, and we will have more hydrangeas probably next year up on our porch. And I think we have something in mind already, actually. But with everything said, I hope that y'all enjoyed, and can't wait to see how it looks, what we have planned for winter up here. So thank you very much, guys, and we'll see y'all later.